Okay, welcome back here. Hope you can hear me pretty good. It's a little windy out here today. Not too bad, but just got here and got this is what I was going to make for my ductwork to keep the weather off of it, my awning. I've already got it just temporarily bolted to my plate, as you can see. Looks like it's going to work out pretty nice. I got plenty of room in there to get around. Of course, it's going to sit just like that, of course, in the window. And as you can see, I've got plenty of roof coverage over my ductwork, so I don't think I'm going to have to worry about it at all. I do have my other side covered as well. I've got all three sides covered. I'll be using the same duct pieces used last year. These are just the little inserts. They'll just pop right in the back side of the plate, and these right here work really well for the intake only. You have to go and these little tabs right here, might cut them in a little bit deeper, and then when you'll have to mash. There's a little lip right there. You have to mash it flat to get these to go inside the holes. They won't go all the way in there because of that little lip right there. But you get it mashed down flat. You might have to take a rasping file, just kind of make that hole just a little bit bigger. It is a pretty tight fit, but once you get it in there, you just take these little tabs and, like I said, cut them in a little bit deeper depending on what your thickness of board is, and just on the inside bend them over and seal it up, and don't have no worries. That's pretty much what I did on my box from our window plate from last year, because I couldn't get them that well. Those are the ones I didn't get out. These are the ones that got tore up. Of course, I done messed them up pretty good, but not too much of a biggie. I just had to go get me a couple more, just make it a whole lot easier. But that's pretty much it. It's pretty warm out here today. It's going to be pretty warm tomorrow, but starting next week is going to get back down cold weathers. I'm pretty satisfied with this. I think it's going to work very well for me, and hopefully this year I won't have to ever worry about any rain getting in here and ruining my flex duct. I will be taking some silicone, just going around the edges, same way on the outside. Especially up in here, I left just a tad bit overhang, but this sheet metal is open. I'll just take some silicone, fill that in. There's two of those, a couple of little small ones right there, no biggie. But this thing worked out really well, or it's looks like it's going to work out really well. But I'll get in here today and get it fit in my window. And another reason why I've done like this so I wouldn't have to, I thought about building something like this and actually attaching it to the house, but I don't want nothing. I don't want to go in and drill holes inside of my brick and wind up busting some of my brick. So I just decided just to mount to a plate. That'd be one whole piece. I could just take it out at one time and won't have to worry about it. So here in a few days, hopefully I'll get this thing installed, and hopefully by the middle of the week I'll have my heaters hooked up and going. Thanks for watching. Pretty sweet.